Welcome back. In this lesson, we will see a real-world application of Perl regular expression, which is log processing data extraction. So Perl's powerful regex capability make it excellent choice for handling real-world text processing tasks such as log files analysis, data extraction, text manipulation, etc. So some of the examples are, for example, scenario you need to extract IP address from a web log file. So here log entries are something like that. You wanted to get this IP address. So how you will do that? So we have here one entry. So I'll just copy it and let's go in our code and then we can see from there. So I'll just create another file. So I'll say real example regex.pl. Here let's paste it and we'll try to run it. So for that I'll say Perl and then we'll say real example Perl. So now if you see we get here IP address from this log. So what we have done, we have here regular expression which is saying that digit then dot again digit then dot again digit. So if this pattern is matching, it's matching here, then get that all the value from the first matching one, that is $1, because we have used only one braces which is grouping the things. Similarly, we can see here next is extracting timestamp from logs. So for example, if we have this log and we wanted to extract the timestamp from that, so what we can do, we have, let me just copy it, or we can directly see from here. We are checking that it should be date, sorry, digit, then we have word, again digit, at least it should be one time, then we are saying that colon, then again digit and digit colon colon. So something like that we wanted to get completely, right, because it's matching the pattern as well, and in that case we will get the exact matching patterns. So this is how we can get the value from the regular expression. Similarly, if we wanted to extract email ID from the file, for example, if we have this file, we wanted to get the email ID, we can capture using that. So let's say I'll just copy it. Let's go here and paste it. So our file is support@example.com and test. So let's run it and we can. So here I have changed it double quote to single quote and then trying to run it again. So we can see here extracted email ID is, it's printing here because we have used while loop. So if we have multiple matches, it will run for the array and then it will print one by one all the numbers that is available, all the email IDs that is available. Same thing, we can validate phone numbers. So if we have phone numbers, we can validate that we have already seen. Next thing is extract URL from a web. So for example, if we have, let me just copy it and I'll say, let's go and print it. So we have suppose one HTML which is written something like this, and we wanted to extract the web address, right? So we can use this one and then based on that we can extract the URL from here. So ahref, and this is the URL. We can use something like this regex. So regular expression is very important. We can use for the multiple different purpose, and with using that we can extract and make our application robust. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see further. Thank you.